Every day, we wage a silent war against our own workspace. The modern desk has become a minefield of digital interruptions. Think about it. The average professional is interrupted or distracted every 3 minutes. Even worse, data shows that 1 out of every 3 people feels completely overwhelmed by the constant buzz of smartphone notifications. I personally have them disabled just to be productive. Every pop up, screen flash triggers a microdose of stress, and it takes your brain an average of 23 minutes to fully refocus after a single distraction. The problem isn't the lack of discipline, it is just that our modern devices are designed in a way to hijack our attention. Hi, I am Amayang D, and to solve this problem, I built FlintOS. For me, this isn't just another gadget, it's a dedicated physical boundary which was designed to reclaim your mental clarity. With a 7.5-inch ePaper display, it passively displays essential data, completely free from high-stress friction of traditional notification systems. Hardware-wise, the project is built entirely around the Terminal 7.5-inch kit by Seed Studio. This kit features a beautiful 800 by 480 resolution ePaper display panel that is coupled with an ESP32 S3 Plus microcontroller board, providing the perfect low-power hardware which is required to build a distraction-free ambient desk accessory. Every single feature on FlintOS was planned with absolute intent. The device mainly has two modes, productivity mode and a digital photo frame mode. In productivity mode, the OS relies on minimalistic grid layouts to show clean information across 6 distinct screens. You mainly get a minimalist home clock, a detailed local weather screen, a dedicated crypto market view, real-time stock trends, inspirational quote, dynamic task list with a calendar, and a stopwatch, a focus stopwatch, which helps you quantify your work. If you press the previous and next buttons together, you turn on the digital photo frame mode. This is supposed to be an ambient feature which is meant for the device to be useful even when the person does not want to work. This mainly turns the display into a monochrome photo slideshow, featuring a tiny digital clock in the corner that handles partial updates every minute to keep a track of time. In the background, you'll have your choice of images, which will slideshow continuously at an interval of 5 minutes. The device also comes with a wellness reminder system that pops up every 30 minutes just to remind you to stretch, hydrate, calm down, and helps you maintain a positive work environment. Under the hood, FlintOS is written in C++ using Arduino IDE. The device shows excellent battery life of up to 7 to 10 full days on a single charge. This is all possible because of the ePaper technology that we are using. These panels require zero power to hold a static image or graphic, and hence the hardware itself is tailored for extreme battery longevity. It features an active power cutoff gate that physically disconnects the battery measuring resistor network from ground between checks to save charge. The firmware manages 5 live APIs to update all the data. OpenWeatherMap handles the weather data, CoinMarketCap API tracks crypto trends, ZenQuotes is used to fetch the daily inspirational quote, and the Todoist API imports your personal to-do list. For the stock market tracking, I was not able to find a free API, and hence I went ahead and built a custom Google Apps script connected to a Google Sheet that packages your financial stock data into a compressed JSON array in the cloud that can be directly accessed by the ESP32 without heavy processing. While the project is fully functional as of now, there are again a few improvements that could be made in the next version. The immediate next upgrade is all about integrating a web UI configuration dashboard. This will allow users to launch a local setup page right from the smartphone or browser to securely update Wi-Fi credentials, adjust essential settings, upload images for the slideshow over the air without ever needing to recompile the C++ code manually. Also, the next version could be focused around a color e-ink panel to make the slideshow images pop. This would really add a vibrant touch to the device. Lastly, to conclude with all of this, I would like to say that we live in a digital age that continuously steals our attention from us. FlintOS is a quiet reminder that technology is meant to serve our mind, not steal it. The entire project is completely open source. You can file all the code and design files on GitHub and other platforms right now. Check out the links in the description to build your own and let me know what metrics you would like to track next. Thanks for watching and stay focused.